Sauerkraut, is it a superfood? It is believed to have originated in China over 2,000 years ago. Fermentation was one of the methods used back then to keep foods from spoiling quickly. Sauerkraut is a fermented food that contains enzymes, vitamins, and beneficial bacteria. This makes it a gut superfood, and the lactic acid in sauerkraut also improves intestinal health. Consuming sauerkraut 2 to 3 times per week can provide numerous health benefits. Sauerkraut fermentation promotes the growth of beneficial probiotics, which are also found in products such as yogurt and kefir. Probiotics are bacteria that have significant health benefits. They also aid in the digestion of foods, increasing your gut's ability to absorb the vitamins and minerals that they contain. Why is it so good for you? It increases the number of friendly bacteria in your gut, which improves digestion. It is one of the world's richest sources of vitamin C. It also strengthens your immune system against viruses. It can improve mental concentration. Weight loss can also be aided by sauerkraut, due in part to the fact that sauerkraut, like most vegetables, is low in calories and high in fiber. Sauerkraut aids in the reduction of stress and the maintenance of brain health. Probiotics have been shown to improve memory and alleviate symptoms of anxiety, depression, autism, and obsessive-compulsive disorder. Sauerkraut has been linked to a lower risk of certain cancers. Sauerkraut's main ingredient, cabbage, contains antioxidants and other beneficial plant compounds that may help reduce the risk of certain cancers. The fermentation of cabbage may also produce plant compounds that inhibit the growth of precancerous cells. Sauerkraut has been shown to benefit heart health. Sauerkraut is one of only a few plant sources of menaquinone, also known as vitamin K2. Vitamin K2 is thought to lower the risk of heart disease by preventing calcium deposits from forming in the arteries. Sauerkraut can help build stronger bones. Sauerkraut contains vitamin K2, which is essential for bone health. Vitamin K2 specifically activates 2 proteins that bind to calcium, the primary mineral found in bones. This is thought to aid in the development of stronger, healthier bones. Indeed, several studies have found that vitamin K2 may be beneficial to bone health. Sauerkraut may also help to keep your brain healthy by increasing the absorption of mood-regulating minerals like magnesium and zinc in your gut. Sauerkraut contains many nutrients important for optimal health. 1 cup of sauerkraut provides the following: 27 calories, no fat, 6 grams of carbohydrates, 4 grams of fiber, 1 gram of protein, 41% of the daily value of sodium, 23% of the daily value of vitamin C, 15% of the daily value of vitamin K1, vitamin K2, 12% of the daily value of iron, 9% of the daily value of manganese, 11% of the daily value of vitamin B6, 9% of the daily value of folate, 15% of the daily value of copper, and 5% of the daily value of potassium. Sauerkraut, unlike cabbage, can be high in sodium. If you're watching your salt intake, keep this in mind. Do not stop taking any prescribed medications or treatments without consulting your doctor. The materials and the information contained on this channel are provided for general and educational purposes only, and do not constitute any legal, medical, or other professional advice on any subject matter.